Hi, my name is Anna Ristovska. I'm from North Macedonia and I'm 22 years old. I came to Novo Mesto as a volunteer and as someone who used to play professional tennis and attended many tournaments in various countries. No place ever felt like Novo Mesto. Novo Mesto is something special. It feels like home away from home, where I can go to places by myself. The language is similar to Macedonian, and the food is just no different, which is also a big plus because I'm a foodie. But most of all, I feel very safe in Novo Mesto, and I don't take that for granted. After being here for 10 months, I discovered this place where I try to walk by every day. It's one of my favorites. As you can see, all the houses, the local church, all the colors of nature, the blue, the green, the yellow, purple, orange, everything reminds me also of all the fairy tales my dad used to tell me when I was little and would imagine in my mind how everything looks like. This beautiful view also takes me back to the time when my parents would receive postcards from their friends who live in Slovenia, and they would explain to me how everything in Slovenia is just so clean and beautiful. But anyway, I volunteered for 10 months in DRPD, Društvo za razvijanje prostovoljnega dela, which is in Novo Mesto. If you feel lost and your heart longs for something significant, this organization is definitely the best place to achieve that. At the beginning, I planned to stay for 6 months, but when I heard that I could extend it, I took the chance right away. I couldn't wait to see the kids on my first day at DRPD. One of the little kids rushed up to me and hugged me when I got there, and even though she had never seen me before, which was very surprising. I'm not a big hugger, but this felt different. Once I saw her smiling, I immediately felt this rush and felt like I had already done something meaningful. It was amazing. And it wasn't like that only the first day. During my whole 10-month stay at DRPD, I got to experience many relevant activities such as helping the kids with their homework, playing board games with them, sports, and taking part in exciting and fun workshops. But my favorite activity was definitely talking to the kids, hearing about their lives, all their wins and losses, their happy and not so happy moments, and all the challenges they face every day made me feel very emotional and appreciative of what I have, made me realize how privileged and lucky I am to have everything I have. Therefore, I think they taught me and helped me more than I did them. However, they weren't the only ones. All the employees, my mentors, and other volunteers have helped me out so much, not just with the kids, but also with my everyday life. I felt safe, happy, respected, and most importantly, I felt seen. They gave me a chance to express my ideas and be a part of the team. They had confidence in me and let me help them when building things from scratch, which was so fun. And for everything they've done for me, I will forever be grateful. The greatest gift I received from the 10 months spent at DRPD was the opportunity to connect with and build relationships with the children. Recalling their beautiful faces and their youthful energy and resilience continues to just inspire me. Although the basic schedule is the same from day to day, there is never a dull moment as the children are so energetic and full of surprises. It was fun for me to integrate among them and share in their enthusiasm. Some especially memorable moments include playing multiple Uno games, the Week of Cultures, and Živ Žal, where some of the kids had a chance to perform in front of people. So, thank you to everyone at DRPD for allowing me to be a part of their team and help me make the world a better place to live in. I will forever be grateful and will definitely cherish this experience and get back to it as much as I possibly can.